I'm with Flagpoles, etc., and I'm going to tell you all about our memorial cases. Memorial cases can be used for funerals, retirements, or other honored occasions. At Flagpoles, etc., we're here to make sure you have a great buying experience from start to finish. Wooden flag cases are ideal for memorializing current or retired military or other services while protecting the special flag inside of it. A memorial flag is something to be both proudly displayed today and preserved for generations to come. Properly displaying and preserving a flag requires a worthy memorial flag case. These memorial cases are for sale in rich finishes including cherry, poplar, oak, and maple to fit each individual's taste and preferences. Additionally, customers can choose from different size options as well as plexiglass or glass fronts. Don't hesitate to give the flagpole experts a call if you have any questions or need any extra assistance. These memorial cases will ensure the remembrance of somebody special and, as always, are American made. So give us a call at 888-735-5591 or visit our website at flagpolesetc.com.